Project-based learning, or PBL, is a way of teaching where kids learn by doing real, hands-on projects. Instead of just reading a textbook or filling out worksheets, children dive into questions and challenges that matter to them. The project is the lesson. How does project-based learning work at home? In project-based learning, a child might explore a big idea, like, how can we protect pollinators? Or, what would it take to open a bakery? Then, they research, ask questions, plan, build, create, and reflect. Along the way, they naturally practice reading, writing, math, science, and more. At home, this can be as simple or creative as you want. You might create a homemade museum about dinosaurs, design a budget and build a model for a dream bedroom, write and produce a short documentary, start a garden and track plant growth. Each project is based on your child's age, interests, and learning level. What makes it different from traditional learning? Project-based learning focuses on big questions, student voice, and real-world tasks. Instead of learning subjects separately, children combine skills across subjects in one meaningful project. And instead of a test at the end, the result might be a presentation, a physical product, or even something shared with the community. Why choose project-based learning in homeschooling? Many homeschooling families love project-based learning because it keeps kids curious and engaged. It helps children take ownership of their learning. It builds problem-solving and critical thinking skills. It connects schoolwork to real life. It encourages creativity and confidence. Plus, it allows for collaboration if you're part of a homeschool group or co-op. What subjects can it cover? Pretty much all of them. A single project can touch on reading and writing through research, journaling, and reports, math through budgeting, measuring, or graphing, science through experiments, investigations, or models, social studies through community-focused questions or history projects, art and technology through designing, building, or recording. You can choose short-term or long-term projects depending on your family's routine. Do I need a special curriculum? Nope. Some families follow a structured PBL curriculum, but many create their own projects based on what their child is curious about. There are also free project ideas online and printable planners to help organize the process. All you really need is a topic, some supplies, and time to explore. Is project-based learning right for my family? If your child loves asking questions, being hands-on, or learning through doing, project-based learning might be a great fit. It gives you flexibility and makes learning feel exciting and meaningful. Think about your child's interests. Could you turn one of those into a project? Try asking, what's something you wish you could build, fix, or find out more? You might have just found your next homeschool lesson. Thanks for joining us. For more information and resources related to project-based learning, head to twinkl.com.